All right, y'all, so we're back with another Halloween look. Again, everything can be purchased off of Amazon, but I don't know if y'all remember, but Nickelodeon had a show called Rocket Power, and it was about a brother and a sister and their friends, and they skated, rollerblade all around, like they lived like on a beach or something, like a pier or whatever. So yeah, granted, I cannot skate, but like I always wanted to. Like I think people who can skate just like have a superpower. They just like gliding on land. So I want to do Reggie Rocket. Reggie Rocket was the sister in Rocket Power. If you do want to shop this look, everything will be on Amazon. Now she has some red sneakers. She has these red glasses or goggles that she wears on her forehead. So I purchased some red glasses from Amazon. I did have to buy that. I bought the freaking Rocket Power shirt. I was actually surprised that I found the Rocket Power shirt. I thought I was gonna have to like go to a t-shirt place and get it made. Her pants, she has like the flowers on it, but it gave very much like a camo print because I could not find like a flower print green pants. So I bought some camo pants. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so let me disclaimer y'all real quick. I am not a makeup artist, okay? I do the bare minimum, all right? So I'm going in with some Clinique makeup primer, going in with my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the color 12. I only use concealer because I don't know my foundation color. Concealer is just a whole lot easier to work with. Plus, you're mainly highlighting and contouring, so I use 3 shades. One that's closest to my skin tone, the number 12, my contour color, which is number 8, and my highlight color, which is number 14. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. All right, keep it very much simple. This is as simple as I could, because I don't dedicate 2 hours to makeup. I'm not that girl. That's okay. So I'm going in with my contour shade now. I go in with a brush, buffer it out, make sure it's nice and blended. We don't want no harsh lines. So make this as simple as possible. Do not overthink it. Since I'm going in with a basic look, because Reggie Rocket doesn't have like full glam, okay? She is a skateboarder. She is very much active. I am not wished to be, I'm not that girl either. But for Halloween, I will be. So once I have everything blended as my base, going in to highlight those small areas just to get them eyes to pop, because I struggle with dark eyes. I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows because I have covered them up. You don't really see them anymore. Once everything is set and where it is supposed to be, I go in with some setting powder to make sure it don't budge, crease, all that good stuff. I go in with the Beauty Bakery one. Love it. It's called Flower. They name everything after their desserts. I think it's super cute, and it's also Black owned, so you can have my coins. So once I have everything set, I'm then gonna go in with my bronzer. This is by Fenty Beauty. It's in the color Mocha Mommy. I use it also as like my contour to, you know, also go in there and deepen it up, give some warmth to the face. I was a little heavy-handed on this one, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in and buff it out. Again, no harsh lines, just, you know, make it work. Going in with my setting spray, I drench my face in it because I am an oily girl, okay? Going in with some blush. This is also by Juvia's Place, and I am very heavy-handed with my blush because I like to bring that color back to the cheeks. Then I'm going in with a simple highlight. I use gold. Like, that's the only highlight I use because it's the only one that I feel like complements my skin. It gives me that goddess glow. I'm then gonna put on some mascara, and then I'm put on some lashes too, but I went with the half lash look, so I didn't put on a full lash. So this just required some brown liner and some brown gloss. The liner's by NYX, and the lip gloss is by Mented, another Black owned cosmetics. Okay, she can definitely have all my coins. I love her lip glosses, every freaking shade. They taste good, they smell good, they just like, look at my lips, absolutely gorgeous. Now let's get into the hair. So this was a wig that I made 2 Halloweens ago. I had used it to create my Shishara Cat Halloween look. So if you want to check out that look, I'll tag it somewhere up above. So I'm slapping this thing on. Now the thing is, I was gonna have to cut some bangs into this bad boy. And I hate bangs. I hate bangs, but Reggie Rocket has bangs. So I'm trying to figure out how exactly I'm gonna go about it. Cause with bangs, they can be very tricky. If you cut them too much, you look crazy. If you don't cut them enough, you can't see. So, you know, it's just it is very much playing the luck of draw for me because I hate bangs, so I don't do them often. And when I do them, I am very fearful of them, okay? I don't like them, but I respect bangs because homegirl, you have to have the face to pull off bangs. Not everybody can do it. So I'm going in with my high iron. Now this is synthetic hair, so the iron had to be low and I accidentally had it too high and fried the hell out of this hair. So that was, you know, another story in itself. So here I am, I'm going in with some like shear scissors and my flat iron to kind of see, you know, if maybe thinning them out would help, because I didn't want them like really short. I didn't want them short. I wanted them to kind of just sit on the eyes. I'm trying to like work with this flat iron. Again, this is satin, this is synthetic hair, so it just was not giving. It was not giving. Going in with my shear scissors, this was a process, cutting off some more length, and I'm just doing like 1/2 inch at a time until I get the length that I want, because I don't want to cut off too much because then I'm stuck like Chuck and then I'm gonna be hurting and crying. So I did that one side and I'm just like, okay. First of all, this color is absolutely gorgeous. This is why they need to allow people to wear color to work, because I swear I would show up to work with this damn color in my head unapologetically. I'm cutting off some more to just kind of like shape it around my face. I don't want it to look too harsh. I'm not a hairstylist either. Everything I do is very much self-taught. This is just my way of going about it, you know? Sometimes we gotta make some shortcuts. So I decided to tuck the hair behind my ear because I felt like my face was just drowning in purple hair, and tucking it behind the ear definitely was the trick. I was like, okay, we are getting somewhere. I'm gonna bump them bangs one more good time, okay? For the good time, and we are done with this look. All right, I've completed the look. The bangs was giving me hell. I hate bangs to begin with, so actually cutting them was more of a task than I thought it was gonna be. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at shantae.ponpon so you can check out all of my photos, reels, all that good stuff that I'll be posting for Halloween this month. But cute, it's comfortable, and a very inexpensive costume, as well as being creative, because how many people do you know are gonna recognize Reggie Rocket? I'm gonna thank you guys for joining us on another one. Yeah, we'll see y'all. Be blessed and be safe.